Hey, good morning. This is Ed with Philly Speed 215, and today I'm going to call Rockwell Cycle to see the status of my MV. In my previous video, when I was talking to the general manager at MV Agusta, he said that he was going to reach out to them to let them know the status of the gas tank. So without further ado, I'm going to call Rockwell Cycle. Peace. Hey, what's going on? This is Ed from Philly Speed 215. Today we're going to call Rockwell Cycle and see if the general manager of MV Agusta reached out to him like he said he would. So let me give him a call. Give him a call. Let's see.
Hi, you've reached Rockwell Cycle. Please visit us on the web at rockwellcycles.com. For parts and service, press 1. For Marion, press 2. For sales, press 3. Rockwell Cycles, how can I help you?
Hey, how you doing? This is Ed Brown. How are you today?
I'm doing pretty well. Yourself?
Oh, pretty good. I'm calling because I want to know if the general manager of MV reached out to you.
If the general manager of MV reached out to me?
Yeah.
Not recently.
Okay.
I mean, I guess I could have left a voicemail, but I didn't hear anything.
Okay. Yeah, because he was telling me that he was gonna reach out to you to let you know the ETA of the gas tank.
Oh, okay. Oh, is this Ed Brown?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Yeah, no, he hasn't yet. I mean, I still have voicemail. I keep checking my orders to see if it's been shipped or not. But that's good. I'm glad somebody from MV reached out. I'll reach out to one of my contacts just to see, but that's good.
Okay. I told you that they said they're gonna reimburse me for my payments and insurance and everything, and to ship it up and everything. So, I mean, I at this point, I'm just like, since they paying for it, I mean, I just wanted to know, try to get an ETA of, possibly when I'll be getting the bike back. So.
I know. I wish I had a better one. I mean, because it's the dragster, it's such a special tank that they don't have a ton of them. I mean, I just got one that I ordered back in April 30th. It was the red and black. Customer waited, and then I just got that in. So that's a good sign. It means dragster tanks are being produced and everything. But let me see if there's anybody that'll kind of give me a better idea. I got a couple people I can call, and I'll reach back out to you a little bit later on. Is that all right?
Oh, that's fine. And also, all right. I called you like it was last week or week before last about possibly trading in my Diavo and the dragster for a new 1260S.
Oh, a multi or which 12? The new Diavo 1260S?
Yes.
Okay, well I know we have one of those coming in. Let me see. I'm probably gonna have you talk to Marion just because she's a little bit better at this than me.
Okay.
Could you hold on 1 second?
Yes.
Actually, I can take all the information. Hold on, let me go here. So it's going to be a 2020 Diavo 1260S. And what year is your X Diavo?
2013.
2013 X Diavo. And is it the S?
No, it's not an X Diavo. It's a Diavo.
Oh, it's just a regular 2013 Diavo.
Yes.
Gotcha. Diablo. And the other one is the Dragster. All right, Brown. All right, let me put this in front of Marion and see. I know we have one coming in, and we'll see if what we can do. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, Ed. You have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. I done reached out to him last week. No, week before last, I believe. And with the same thing. My Diablo Dragster for the brand new 2020 Diablo 1260S. That bike is phenomenal. If the numbers are right, I'll definitely jump on it. Now, since I talked to Rockwell, let me call up the general manager. See, you buy these products, I mean, all I'm asking is for you to get back to me. Treat me like a human being. That's all. Okay, let me reach out to Agusta USA LLC.
Thank you for calling Agusta USA. I'm going to direct your call.
Good morning. My name is Ed Brown. Could I speak to the general manager, please?
Hi, how's it going, Edward? He's actually traveling for business.
Okay.
He should be in tomorrow, but can I take a message?
I'll just call in for an update on the gas tank. The last time I spoke with him, he told me that he was going to reach out to Rockwell, which sold me the bike, and he was going to reach out to me. And I never got to receive the phone call. And I just got off the phone with Rockwell. They said they didn't receive a phone call. So I just wanted to find out that and to see if he got the information that I sent him for my reimbursement.
Okay. Understandable, sir. I will send him an email and I'll have him reach out to you. He's actually traveling for business. So he should be in maybe tomorrow, but I will confirm.
All right. Thank you.
All righty, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. I understand he's a busy man. However, just do what you say. If you tell me you're going to reach out to me. So. Oh, it was shipped this morning?
Yes, sir. I can send you just once I'm in front of a laptop because I'm traveling right now.
Okay.
Once I'm in front of a laptop, I can certainly send you the DHL tracking as well.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And then in terms of the compensation, I've already sent that to the powers to be.
Okay.
And as soon as that's approved, then we'll send you out a check as well.
Okay, I haven't sent you the insurance because I had to get a printout from State Farm.
Understood.
So,
if you could please get that over as well, and then we'll basically try to make sure that the compensation takes place prior to the end of this month.
Okay, because I have 2 bikes on my policy. So how are y'all going to do that?
Is there any way that they can say, hey, listen, this is specifically for MV Agusta and this is specifically for the other bike?
You know what? I think they have it broken down, like how much you pay for the
Right, because they should be able to break it out by VIN number, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm matter of fact, let me call them again today and see if they can give me just a printout of the MV.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Okay, and I'll email that over to you.
And if you have any further questions, just please feel free to contact me, but I hope to get you compensated before the end of the month.
Okay, thank you.
All right? And I'll send you, as soon as I'm in front of a laptop, I'll send you the tracking as well.
Okay.
All right?
All right, thank you.
Not a problem at all. Thank you very much, sir.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye now.
Yeah, I just got off the phone with the general manager at MV Agusta, and he told me that my tank is shipped out this morning. So I'm going to call Rockwell Cycle to let them know if they don't already know already. So,
Rockwell Cycles, how can I help you?
hey, good morning. My name is Edward Brown. I'm calling about my MV Agusta. I got off the phone with the general manager at MV Agusta, and he said my gas tank shipped out this morning.
Perfect. That's awesome. So as soon as I get it, you'll be all set and ready to go. I did reach out to somebody at MV. I didn't hear back yet, but then again, I haven't been at my computer. But that's good. That's good to know.
Yes. Oh,
I'll be on the lookout for it.
Also, I talked to you earlier about seeing if I could trade the 2 bikes for the 2020 Diablos. So
yeah, I was gonna have you talk to Marion. Do you want me to? I think she's. Let me see if I can grab her. Can you give me 1 sec? I think she just had a couple questions.
Sure.
Hold on 1 second.
Look at my cat. He got the life. He'll sit around all day. Look at that. Crazy.
Good afternoon. This is Marion in sales.
Hey, Marion.
I hear you're how are you?
Good.
I hear you're interested in a 1260.
Yeah. yeah.
I don't have one.
I know.
At this point. And I'm gonna. When it comes, it will be a 2020.
Okay.
And I'm not 100% sure when it's coming.
Oh, okay.
It's been on order for a while.
Okay.
And it was supposed to be a 2019, but now they tell me it's a 2020.
Okay.
It's a little premature for me to work you up an estimate on the trades, just because I'm not sure when I'm going to have mine available.
Okay.
What else? I mean, I can try to.
Marion,
I know what they. What they cost, but.
You know what? I said I'll go through you. I'll go through your dealership because one, I like your dealership, and if I'm going to buy one, I'm gonna buy it from you. So you know, even though going through the MV thing or whatever, I'm still willing to give you my money, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? So I said I can get the best deal probably from y'all than anywhere else. So like I said, regardless of all the stuff with the MV, I'm willing to still deal with your company.
Well, that's awesome. Thank you. And in the meantime, what I'm going to try to do is get a better idea of when, if I can, when mine is coming.
Okay.
And that way I can work something up.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
We'll be in touch.
Alrighty. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See, I was trying to put a little extra on there so she can get me more for my trades and give me the better deal. So we'll see how that works out, and I'll definitely keep you posted. Definitely keep you posted. And this is Ed with Philly Speed 215. Here you go. My gas tank is en route So I should have the MV back soon. Definitely keep you posted on that. And if not, I'll have a brand new 2020 1260S. So regardless, I'm gonna be alright. I mean, this was a long, drawn out process. I mean, it isn't over yet. However, I see promise in it. So we'll just see. Again, my name is Ed from Philly Speed 215. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button. And if you want to, on your way out, smash that subscribe button. Hit the little bell notification so you be aware of the new updates, my new videos. And peace.